first biggest catch of the day.
Say bye, baby.
Welcome to Rouge River Park. Of course, this is my favorite area to go fishing. Of course, those little fishes and anything. So come along. Hello guys, we're in Rouge River and look at these beautiful flowers. I'm going to teach you again how to go fishing, how to go even. Hello guys, stop being busy by the flowers, just come along. Really Sam, because right now he was just floating there like this. So hold it. Yeah. So wait. And she's gone. That one was gone there. Okay, put him down.
Okay, are you releasing it? Oh my gosh, it's a... What is that? Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, that's big.
Can I see?
That's big.
Can I see?
That's big, that's big.
Oh my
That's
god.
big.
What do we do with it? What kind of fish is this?
Oh my gosh, that's big.
What do we do with it? Oh my
fish it.
goodness.
That's the biggest catch.
Oh no.
That's scary.
Just put in the water. Put in the water.
What kind of fish is this?
Wait, the one we saw in Dale. The fish we saw there.
What?
Like that
Oh.
fish there.
Yeah,
She looks like a
What
buffalo.
kind of fish? Buffalo fish. Okay. I don't know what kind of fish. Guys,
Okay,
this is
that's
a
big. My net is breaking. Most biggest catch of the day. We saw like a dead fish though, and he looked like the same one like this because he had like it was bigger.
This is such a big catch. Dad, okay.
That looks like this.
Say, okay, bye now.
No, first we have to put his head down.
Okay.
Everything. 6,
Please.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Say bye, baby.
Oh my.
Are you happy?
Yeah. Okay, I guess we have to run it randomly. I hope you guys enjoy my fishing videos for today. But don't forget to like and subscribe and enjoy more of my videos. And I want you guys to give this 5 likes up. Bye!